2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 56,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll appreciate the high efficiency at a low price, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power outlet, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, daytime running lights, traction control. Take home the car of your dreams today.